Hello guys, my name is Mohammad Alizia and I'm your virtual instructor. Today I'm going to teach you how you can use an Ubuntu machine in the cloud as an Windows remote desktop functionality, because if you spin up a Windows machine in the cloud, it will cost you much, especially Windows licensing. So you can have all the remote desktop features on an Ubuntu box. So first you need to go to lineout.com and they will give you $100 for 60 days. So sign up an account there, and once you sign up an account, just log into a Lineout Cloud Manager, and here we will spin up a new instance. You need to click on create Lineout, and I'm gonna select Ubuntu let's say LTS 20.04, and then I'm gonna select CA, and I think 4 GB is enough for now. And Ubuntu, I'm gonna name it label it DP, right? And gonna set up password on it, and just click on create button. So once the node is in the running state, we'll proceed further. So it will take a little while as it is booting, and I think we can see that here the process is running on the node. We can see that right now. So let's wait a little more, and once the machine is running, I'll show you the machine will have only the CLI and will enable RDP functionality on that machine. So the machine came in the running state. Let's see the shell. Yeah, it's booting up. Let it boot, and then we'll proceed further. So in this tutorial, we are gonna use a VNC viewer to remote desktop the Ubuntu machine like Windows, and mm, we are gonna use tight VNC server in that. Okay, so the machine seems booted. Yes, it has booted. So let me SSH this machine first of all. I'm gonna provide the password, and it is up. So first what we need to do is to run the update on the OS. Let's run it. It will take a while to collect all the updates, and once all the updates are downloaded, we will upgrade. It's done. So let's proceed to upgrade. It will also take a little while to upgrade, and once it is done, we will install some packages for the shell desktop, GNOME desktop, and other packages to enable the desktop functionality on this machine. It will, I think, take 15 to 20 minutes to get it done. So let's wait a little more. I will provide all the commands in the tutorial so you can use it and do the stuff easily. So it took about 5 minutes and it has been completed. So once the packages are installed, we need to sudo and install tight-vnc server. So let's install it, tight-vnc server. And once the server is installed, we need to create a file, xresources. Let's do it. It has been created, and now we need to set the password. So to set the password, you just need to run this command tight-vnc server, and it will ask you for the password. I'm gonna set up the password twice, and now it says, would you like to enter view only password? No. You need to select no with the N and press enter. It has created the file. Now we need to kill the process, VNC process, and make some changes. So it has been killed. You can use nano or VI, but I love to use VA editor. So now we are going to open this file and just keep pressing D key multiple times and it will delete all the stuff in the file. So once all the stuff is deleted, you just need to press I. It will turn into the insert mode. Once it is in the insert mode, you need to copy all the stuff and paste into that file and press escape so it can exit the insert mode, and then colon WQ, which will write and quit. Okay, the last step you need to run is the IP of the server with the port 5901. Okay, so we need to get the IP and use VNC server 5901 and hit the connect button. So it is not connecting because we have to run tight VNC one more time. So the tight VNC service can run and then we will be able to access the server, right? It is done. Go here and try one more time. Okay, see, it is asking for the password. I'm gonna provide it, and you can see we have full-fledged desktop, remote desktop environment on Ubuntu, right? So you have all the application and all the stuff. Like I'm gonna access Firefox, and let's go to google.com, and one of my favorite site, let's go here and see, and you can do the remote desktop stuff on an Ubuntu box like this. So this is it for now.